Hi, I'm Fran Taylor. I want to tell you what I'm going to be speaking about at our 30 Sales a Month workshop, August 17th and 18th in Oklahoma City. I'm going to talk about prospecting and some of the techniques I used to sell 50 cars a month my second year in the business in a town of only 4,000 people. You got to learn to make money when you're sleeping. I'll show you how to spend $1 per customer and have your name and the dealership's name seen several million times a year. I'm also going to talk about goal setting. People tell you to write down goals, but they don't tell you how to get them. I'm going to show you how to get them, at least the financial ones. So come to my workshop the night before on the 17th, and you can talk to myself or all the speakers. You can go right up and ask them any question you want. And there'll be free food there too. And of course, the next day our sales training starts from 8 in the morning until 5 o'clock. And I guarantee when you come there, you're going to learn something. So make sure you come August 17th and 18th in Oklahoma City. Thank you.